Some credit cards offer an introductory period, often 12 to 18 months, with 0% interest on purchases and potentially balance transfers. These cards can help you pay off large purchases or consolidate high-interest debt, but keep in mind they'll charge the regular annual percentage rate after the intro period ends. Card number 1. Discover It. Cashback. Discover It. Cashback features a high rewards rate on categories that rotate every quarter, which requires some work on your part. You'll earn 5% cashback on everyday purchases at different places you shop each quarter, like grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and more, up to the quarterly maximum when you activate. Instead of extending a traditional intro bonus to new cardholders, none. This card doesn't offer some of the benefits that come standard with other credit cards, including extended warranty coverage and rental car insurance. However, as a cardholder, you have zero liability fraud protection, free access to your FICO credit score, and alerts if your social security number shows up on a risky website. If someone steals your credit card or you lose it, you can freeze your account from your mobile app or online account, plus get free delivery for your replacement card. The Discover It. Cashback card with its top earning categories can work well for a certain type of cardholder, someone who has a few cards in their wallet so they can strategically choose the one that offers the best rewards for a given purchase. You'll have to be disciplined enough to remember to activate the quarterly categories and try not to revolve balances to avoid paying interest. If you prefer a more hands-off approach to earning cashback, you may be better served with a flat-rate cashback card like the Chase Freedom Unlimited card that provides the same earnings rate across all purchases. Discover It. Cashback cardholders can earn 5% cash back on everyday purchases at different places. You shop each quarter like grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and more, up to the quarterly maximum when you activate. Also, none. The best way to maximize the reward structure is to set reminders for yourself to activate the bonus categories each quarter and use the card for those purchases. Be mindful that the bonus rate is only offered on the first $1,500 you spend for that quarter. Discover It. Cashback. Cardholders can redeem their rewards in 4 ways. Cashback via direct deposit or a statement credit, charitable donation, shopping with select merchants, and gift cards. Card number 2. Discover It. Miles. Discover It. Miles is a flexible travel rewards credit card with no annual fee. Cardholders automatically earn unlimited 1.5 times miles on every dollar of every purchase, which you can redeem as cash, a statement credit for travel purchases, at checkout with Amazon, or as a PayPal payment. Instead of a traditional intro offer, only Discover gives you an unlimited match of all the miles you've earned at the end of your first year. For example, if you earn 35,000 miles, you get 70,000 miles. There's no signing up, no minimum spending, or maximum rewards. Just a miles for miles match. Discover It. Miles features include online privacy protection at no cost, offered by Discover Bank, and free access to your FICO credit score. The Discover It. Miles card offers a lot of value in the first year, since only Discover gives you an unlimited match of all the miles you've earned at the end of your first year. For example, if you earn 35,000 miles, you get 70,000 miles. There's no signing up, no minimum spending, or maximum rewards. Just a miles for miles match. It's a good idea to maximize this bonus if you need to make big purchases in the first year. New cardholders can take advantage of the 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases. You'll also get 0% intro APR for 15 months on balance transfers from the date of your first transfer. After that, an 18.24% to 27.24% variable APR applies. You should plan to pay off your balance before the introductory rate expires. This card is good if you want flexible travel rewards and don't want to pay an annual fee. With a $0 annual fee and a flat rate 1.5x miles per dollar travel rewards, you can get a lot of value out of the Discover It Miles card, especially if you can capitalize on the fact only Discover gives you an unlimited match of all the miles you've earned at the end of your first year. For example, if you earn 35,000 miles, you get 70,000 miles. There's no signing up, no minimum spending, or maximum rewards. Just a miles for miles match. But the Discover It. Miles Card's 1.5x miles per dollar isn't the greatest rewards rate you can earn with a travel rewards card. You could get more value from a card that charges an annual fee but offers more in rewards and travel benefits. For example, the Capital One Venture. Rewards credit card has a $95 annual fee but earns a flat rate 2 miles per dollar on every purchase, every day, with the opportunity to. Card number 4. Chase Freedom. Unlimited. Chase Freedom. Unlimited is a cash-back credit card with a lot of value. Cardholders earn 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase Travel, 3% cash back on dining, including takeout and delivery services, and drugstore purchases, and 1.5% on all other purchases. You intro offer. Earn a $200 bonus after you spend $500 on purchases in your first 3 months from account opening. The card offers a 0% intro APR on balance transfers and 0% intro APR on purchases for 15 months. Once that introductory period ends, the APR is 18.99% to 28.49% variable, so you should plan to pay your balance in full each month. The card doesn't charge an annual fee. Other benefits include purchase protection, extended warranty protection, and trip cancellation or interruption insurance. Cashback is the major feature of Chase Freedom Unlimited (R), so you should plan to take full advantage of your rewards earning potential with this card. That's easy to do, as you will earn 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase Travel (SM), 3% cash back on dining, including takeout and delivery services, and the drugstore purchases, and 1.5% on all other purchases. With a 0% intro APR on balance transfers and 0% intro APR on purchases for 15 months, Chase Freedom Unlimited can save you money on interest charges if you need to transfer a balance or make a large purchase. A great way to use this card would be to make a large purchase you need to pay off over time. You'll earn at least 1.5% cash back on the purchase and get up to 15 months to pay it off interest-free. Just be sure to pay off your balance before interest charges apply, as this card has an 18.99% to 28.49% variable APR after the introductory period expires. It's a good idea to use this card for travel purchased through Chase Travel, which earns 5% cash back. Dining and drugstores earn 3% cash back, and you'll earn 1.5% on all other purchases. That makes Chase Freedom Unlimited a great everyday card that you can use for bonus categories or earning at least 1.5% cash back on everything else. Plus, points don't expire as long as the account remains open and in good standing. Points can be redeemed for cash, a statement credit, gift cards, or used to book travel through Chase Travel. Card number 5. City Custom. Cash Card. Earn $200 in cash back after you spend $1,500 on purchases in the first 6 months of account opening. This bonus offer will be fulfilled as 20,000 thank you points, which can be redeemed for $200 cash back. 5% cash back on purchases in your top eligible spend category each billing cycle, up to the first $500 spent, 1% cash back thereafter. 1% cash back on all other purchases. 4% cash back on hotels, car rentals, and attractions booked on City Travel SM portal through June 30th, 2026. With the City Custom Cash Card, you don't have to sign up for rotating bonus categories to maximize the rewards you earn. Cardholders of the City Custom Cash Card can earn 5% cash back on purchases in your top eligible spend category each billing cycle, up to the first $500 spent, 1% cash back thereafter. That category automatically adjusts each billing cycle based on how you spend. Cashback rewards are earned in the form of thank you points. Eligible categories include restaurants, gas stations, grocery stores, select travel, select transit, select streaming services, drugstores, home improvement stores, fitness clubs, and live entertainment. All other purchases earn an unlimited 1% cashback. The card charges a $0 annual fee. It has an intro APR offer of 0% for 15 months on purchases as well as on balance transfers that are completed within 4 months of the account opening. After that, The APR is 18.49% to 28.49%, variable, based on your creditworthiness. None City Custom. Cash Cards benefits include fraud monitoring, free FICO score access, and zero liability on unauthorized purchases. Cardholders can also add authorized users at no cost and earn points on the purchases they make. To get the most out of the 5% rewards rate, try to use the card in a category for which you'll probably spend $500 in a given month. For example, if you expect to spend $500 on groceries, make the City Custom Cash Card your go-to grocery card, and then use another card with a higher earning rate for other types of spending you do. You can easily shift your strategy if your spending changes. For example, maybe you decide to use the City Custom Cash Card to make a large purchase at a home improvement store. That could serve as your 5% category of the month, and you can use another card to earn other benefits. Many rewards cards offering bonus categories require some work on the cardholder's part to maximize spending, and some even require you to activate your bonus categories. The City Custom Cash Card is the answer for those who want to take a more hands-off approach to earning. Because your highest category of spending will automatically be rewarded, it's on autopilot. However,